How to use active park assist in your Ram truck. If your Ram is equipped, it should have a parking button around the center stack with a P and steering wheel symbol. To activate, push this button and use the OK button on the left side of the steering wheel to switch between parallel and perpendicular parking. You can then use a turn signal to search for spots on both the left and right side of the vehicle. The vehicle will automatically search on the passenger side if the turn signal is not used. From here, the truck will direct you at what to do. Once it finds a parking spot and you stop and shift into gear, it will take over control of the steering wheel. You still need to make sure to maintain control of both the gas and brake pedal. Always be aware of your surroundings and do not rely on the truck at every moment. You can take over control at any time if needed. Now overall, I found this feature to be quite finicky in my testing here. Sometimes the truck would tell me to keep backing up, but even though I was so close to the vehicle behind me, the truck would take over an emergency brake, even though it didn't say to stop yet in the instrument cluster. Now these systems are cool and all when they work correctly, but I would not rely on them to use every day. And the system in the GMC Terrain that I tested also in another video definitely had its own issues in detecting spots that I wanted it to. So overall, these systems are not perfect, but they are neat to use overall. So hopefully you found this video helpful in using the active park assist feature in your Ram truck. If you did, please hit that like button. If you have any questions or comments, leave those all in the comment section below and I'll definitely get back to you. If you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing and check out some of the other content that is currently available, such as how-tos and 2023 model year change videos. So with all that being said, we'll see you guys in the next video.